Unraveling the Meaning, Jobless. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a word that you might have heard often, especially in everyday conversations. It's the term, jobless. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also know how to use it appropriately in sentences. The word, jobless, is an adjective. It is used to describe someone who doesn't have a job. When someone is jobless, it means they're currently not employed or they're not engaged in a paid activity. For example, he's been jobless for 2 months now. The city has a high jobless rate. Words similar to jobless include unemployed. This is the most formal synonym. For instance, she's currently unemployed. Out of work. This is a more casual phrase. Like, he's out of work at the moment. Remember, while all these terms carry a similar meaning, the context in which you use them can differ. To help you grasp its usage, let's see jobless in action. 1. The jobless youth gathered for a protest. 2. Economic crises often lead to increased jobless rates. 3. She's been jobless since the company shut down. Sometimes, people think jobless only refers to those who've never had a job. But that's not true. Someone can become jobless after losing a previous job. It simply denotes the current state of not having employment, regardless of past employment history. And there you have it. The term, jobless, is quite straightforward. It's a descriptor of someone's employment status, indicating the lack of a job. We hope this video has made the term clearer for you. Remember, the English language is vast, and the more words you understand, the better you'll become at communicating. Keep learning and exploring.